It's a pleasure to start the hands-on courses for Olympus combined with the Gulf Drug. In fact, the push from Gulf Drug was enormous for us to start these hands-on courses for the UAE. Of course, with the help of Ru'ya for the animal models and the electronic models. This is one of the many courses to come. We're going to do also, this is the first ERCP course hands-on, and then you'll have polypectomies hands-on, you'll have EMR, ESD, and also nursing courses hands-on. This is, of course, with the help of Olympus and Gulf Drug. We are very appreciative of their efforts, and also we would like to appreciate all the candidates who come in from their own hospitals, and they're eager to learn and they're eager to see such hands-on courses, and we'll be doing more and more of these for the sake of the country and our colleagues. Thank you.
Thank you. Welcome all to this first ever ERCP course here in the UAE. I'm really grateful for all of you to come, and also from the Gulf Drug Company, who's really taken all this initiative to start the advanced endoscopy training in this part of the world. This is first of its own kind, and we are hoping to see you all again to continue to build on further courses.
So congratulations for organizing this course. I find this facility excellent. It has a lot of gadgets for everybody to learn and hone their skills, and there should be more courses like this for trainees to get hands-on experience. Thank you.